Hello again. In this demonstration, I'm going to show you the full procedure for collecting one measurement in this table. Currently, Ms. Afaf has set this up to be a distance of 6 centimeters. This is the R value that we're going to use. 6 centimeters represents the distance, supposedly from the plate to the center of the ball. It may not be exactly 6 centimeters. You may have to change that value directly on your table to what the actual value that you're measuring using this ruler. For example, right now, I am actually measuring about 5.5 centimeters. Here is the procedure. First, I'm going to be sure that I'm on the right number for the amplifier. I use this knob to select between columns. We need the center column, and I use this knob to scroll up or down. And we need to put this in the 100 position. Next, I press this button to discharge, and I'll be sure that my meter reads 0 volts. Next, I move over to the charging unit. Generally, I like to start off with a higher voltage to ensure that I create some kind of force based on this distance. This is my charging sphere, and I will gently touch the conducting ball next to the plate. You may have noticed that the ball moved a little closer to the plate. Well, that is what we expect. We expect some type of force based on the charge on the ball. If you notice the ball has moved closer to the plate, now it's my job to push the ball back to the center and then take a reading from my force measurement. So I will gently and patiently try to return the ball back to the center position. I will look, change, wait, look again until I am satisfied that the ball has been returned back to its center position. Now I will take a reading. According to what I'm looking at here, I'm reading close to 0.35 millinewtons. So I go to my paper, look at the volts that I'm using for charging, align that with the correct row, put the force in the table as 0.35. That will be my first measurement. Now for the charge. I come over to the measuring device and I gently touch the ball and I take a reading from the meter. Currently, the meter is reading 2.26 volts. Well, there is a table here that explains how to read the charge. According to the table, every 1 volt is equal to 10 nanoamp seconds. which is nanocoulombs. So if I take 2.26, multiply by 10, I get 22.6, and that is the number that I will put into the table. And I have completed one measurement at the 25 kilovolt level. And then you repeat this process for the other values of U, of potential. Thank you.